Hey guys, this is Justin with the Satellite Phone Store, and today we're going to talk about our Disaster Prep Kit Plus. This is something that you would buy in addition to your phone. We have some highly suggested things in here for sort of being prepared if you were to need to grab and go, and have sort of like a kit that has some of the essentials that keep you going and keep communication live when you're off the grid or in a situation where you might need a little bit of preparation. Without further ado, let's jump into this. The first thing that this comes with is an extra battery. So that's kind of important. We can keep a battery that's charged in here. To take off the battery on the IsatPhone, you just push this and pry it open. That pops off your battery, and then you would just exchange and put the other battery on. So we have a backup spare battery, which we suggest leaving charged, and inside your kit. This kit comes with a Faraday bag. The Faraday bag is something you'd put your phone into. Once inside the bag, you want to seal that. Another thing that we have in here is a small power bank. This power bank can be charged via either a USB-C or a micro USB. It also has two ports. One port is a lightning charger and the other one is a regular kind of trickle charge. To use this device, you just push a power button on the top, and once you do that, and it's plugged in, you can use basically any USB cable you want, but included in our kit is the charging cable for your actual IsatPhone. And in addition to that, we also have the USB cable to charge this device if you so wish to do it that way. In addition to all that, we also include a solar panel. So this solar panel has a small USB port on the back. You can either plug that directly into your phone or into this power bank to keep it charged, and basically give you the ability to power your devices off the grid if need be. And we also have another larger Faraday bag. So this one we would put our solar panel in, we would put this in, we'd put your battery in there. And this is just to protect these items from any HF interference or EMP potentially. And then in addition, we'd double up and put our phone in here as well. And once that's in there, we would put that in our handy dandy case here, which is waterproof. It's also going to protect your phone from extreme heat. So you could potentially leave it in your car or RV, or you could leave it stashed away somewhere if you needed to. And basically, there's your grab and go kit. If you guys are interested in purchasing this kit, it's $389. And if you would like to make that purchase, please click on the link below.